Hi guys, today we are going to go through the steps on how to sign in to My English Lab for the first time. When signing into My English Lab for the first time, you will need two tabs open. You will need Schoology open and your school email open. Okay, so right now we're going to sign into Schoology, and then you will find your class for the semester. You will see the link My English Lab in your class and you will click. When you get to My English Lab, the username and the password sections will be blank. When you are here, you are going to go into your school email and you will get an email from technical support about your Pearson account information. In this email, you will find your username. Okay, your username will be here. So remember your username. You can also highlight, Control C, or right click and copy. And then you will go back. You will go back to My English Lab tab and type in the username. Your teacher will give you your password. So you are going to put in your password and click sign in. Because this is your first time, the password that you were given, you must change it. It is important that you look at the requirements for the password on the side. It has to be at least 8 characters long, at least one letter, and at least one number. So the new password cannot only be your ID number. So just make it something that are just a few letters and a few numbers. And you will confirm password and click next, and it will let you know if they match or not. So the passwords match, and you have your license agreement. You could read through it very quickly. Click I agree, and then click next. You are officially in My English Lab. Depending on the class you are in, if you are in levels 6, 7, or 8, your first tab should be Future Advanced with the name of your class. Future Advanced is the book, is the series that we will be using for levels 6, 7, and 8. So make sure you have Future Advanced as your first box. If you are there, then you are good to go. Good luck. Have a great semester.